In this video, I will show you how to increase WordPress default search functionality in WordPress website. So search this plugin, search everything, install and activate. Search everything increase WordPress default search functionality in 3 easy steps. So just guys, you have to install and activate this plugin. It will add more power and it will increase functionality of your default WordPress search widget. So just you have to install and activate and give a try to this plugin. Share your experience. Hopefully guys you like this video. Thanks for watching.